What's up, everyone? We're full on 10. We're going to have to add more. I can't add it. We're going to have to add more, but I've never seen anything like this. $11 is full. 12 is full. 13 is full. The next 3 are full. I'm doing all of them, guys. I'm doing every single last one of them. Take them. Here we go. J&D, it is what it, J&D, it is what it is. It is what it is. You just got to try and get in. You just got to try and get through. Let's keep on going. If you can get these, if you can somehow get these at $600 a box, then buy them, and then I'll just pay you $650. Go ahead, buy them. Ooh, this is interesting. This is completely interesting. All right, here we go. Cracked ice to 15 right away. Wentz for the Eagles to 15. Jerry Jeudy for the Broncos rookie to 25. We have a rookie auto, the first one of this. Jerry Jeudy rookie auto for the Broncos to 35. This next card's pretty interesting. We have an auto to 2 of Adam Thielen for the Vikings. That's a pretty cool card right there. 2 of 2 out of limited. Adam Thielen for the Vikings. For Bosch. I'm nervous. I'm nervous. Box number 2. It's trust me, it's gone. Oh, wow. Wow, wow, wow. Derrick Henry for the Titans. To 20. We have a rookie base of Herbert for Tiger. Oh, and that's number to 10. Wow, 1 of 10. I'll show you the back, Tiger. One of 10 on the Herbert. That's sick. Rookie autograph out of Clemson. It's Higgins for the Bengals. The Bengals have not been hitting so far. That's going to change. 8 of 10. The Bengals are one of the few teams that have not been hitting. You PC him? J&D? Nice. We haven't seen this guy yet. We have an RPA to 2 of Impeccable of Ronald Jones for the Bucks. JPK, nice hit. I love these. I love Impeccable RPAs. No, Joe Burrow's live in the product. Burrow's live for sure. They're all live. Hurts. No. No. Hold on a second. No. You can't do this to me. That's sick. That's sick. That's sick. Hold on, Nathan. Let me show it to you. Oh, no. Stop. You're killing me. Nathan, here. Let me show it to you, buddy. Oh, you have the Titans. Here, Nathan, look. For you. Henry. 1 of 20, Nathan. Number to 20. You got it? Nathan, you good? Rookie red of the Judge, Jerry Jeudy. Yeah, I got you, Nathan, of course. That's number to 10 for the Broncos. It's only going to get better from here. It's only going to get better from here. This is so sick. How about a rookie base of Herbert again for Tiger? That's to 70, Tiger family life. Tiger's doing what he does best, hitting them Herberts. If Herbert pans out, I'll tell you right now, Tiger family is never going to have to work a day in his life. I can guarantee that. We have a rookie. We have an autograph to 25 at a score. This is the rookie year auto of Eli Manning from 2004 for the Giants. 12 of 25, Eli Manning for the Giants. Are you kidding me? And folks, Blez is a buyer for damn sure. He's a buyer. I said it earlier. You got downtowns. You got cracked ices. You got cards like this. This card is numbered to 3. Keep on buying the whole store. We have a kaboom auto of Kamara to 3. I can't believe this. The Saints are probably the best buy at the price. Alvin Kamara kaboom. They don't have kaboom autos ever. Ever. I gotta call Panini. Chisel. That card is filthy. Do I know my products or what? Guys, if I say something on social media, if I make a video about a product, you better damn believe I'm going to have to back it up, okay? I'm not like any of these other people in the world. I don't just say things to say them. I speak the truth. I knew this was going to happen. I knew this was going to happen. Literally. If I say a product's a buy, you buy it. Listen to me. If you listened to me on my video last week on Wax Talk with the Backer and you bought a bunch of honors, you would have made a fortune. You would have made an absolute fortune. And you could just sell the boxes to me. That's the thing. If you have honors football right now, email me. I'll buy it all. What's up, Thomas? I will buy it all. Hold on a second. This is 2019, Chisel. 2019 Kaboom. This is insane. I will buy your boxes. Listen to me with the Wax Talk, please. Guys, there's a lot of good information on the Wax Talk. You should watch those videos every week. I talk about the whole wax. For those of you, I'm assuming a lot of you enjoy it. But you take advantage of that because I'm giving away